Oh my lord. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to list this bulk.com case that I just unboxed. If you missed the unboxing, no worries. Scroll down to the description box and click on the link that's below the phrase previous video. Okay, so I have my scanner here. I have my inventory lab pulled up and I have my printer so that I can go ahead and print labels and get everything labeled and ready to ship out to FBA. So will I have anything for FBA? Will I make my money back? I'm all in at 150, or will this case be a dud? Find out. Continue to watch. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. Oh, whoo. The rank on here is amazing. Okay. The rank is only 14,000. In home, that's amazing. 14,000. We have a quantity of 2. Is going for, Amazon is on the listing for $26.20. So I'm gonna come in at just an even 26 to undercut them, and I have 2, so my profit will be $18.62 each. Okay, so next up is this Sun 01 in cream. I believe I only have one of these. That's on there, and the rank isn't bad, and it is going for $34.99. I'm sorry, $34.49, and Amazon is on it, so I'm going to undercut them. I'm just going to make it even 34, which brings my net profit to $23.10. I'll slide into a poly bag. Now, I don't have to slide into a poly bag. If I did, it would prompt me with special instructions to poly bag it. I don't have to, since it actually has its own bag. However, I just prefer to do it that way because things could get dirty and nasty in the Amazon warehouse. And I think Amazon is going to put it in their own poly bag once it gets there anyway. But I feel better knowing that I went the extra step there. Okay, next we are going to do the sheer shade of these. I really hope these are on there because I have a lot of them. They're on there. The rank is a little high. It's a little high, but Amazon is on the listing for $57.14. I am going to go ahead and make it even $57. Again, the rank is a little high, but it's not strenuously high. I have 10 of these, and my net profit would be $43.55 each. All right, so moving on to the next one, which is this My Zone panel for kids. I think it's a plastic-like, which is very, very good for a kid's room. So let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, it's on there, and it is a very good rank. Okay, we are looking at $22. Amazon is on it for $22.99. I could come in at $22.50. Why not? That brings my net profit to $11.04. Next one is, we're going to do these. Ooh, awesome rank. And it's up there. It's going, oh my Lord. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Okay. These are going to be merchant fulfilled. If that, they're going on eBay. Because this is crazy. Amazon is on the listing for $6. Like, even no need for me to send these in. Like, my profit would be $1 and some change. Like, it's no need for me to even fuss with sending it in. I mean, okay, so that's that. Moving on. This is this one, the Aquapana. Let me cancel that one. Okay. That again. I'm gonna put this in a poly bag regardless since the cloth is exposed. Okay, we got a good rank. Alright. Name my price. Well, we are gonna go in at $35.40, which brings my profit to $25.19. Next is the craft garden kit, or garden craft kit, whichever one they want to call it. That. Take a sticker to cut this up. Now let's come in that. And it's on there. Okay, let's see. Okay, $18.99. My net profit would be $11.24. I can live with that. Alright, last item is this heavy one from Exclusive Home. Okay, it is on there. Ooh. Amazon's on the list, is going for $52 even. So I'm gonna come in, yeah, 51. That brings my net profit for this one to $34.41. Okay, guys, so I'm going to tally up everything again. I just have these three here that I'm going to put on eBay because it's just not worth it to send it in. And I will be back with my profit numbers for you guys. Guess what I forgot? I looked over here and was like, oh, I forgot the tent. Okay, so let's see here. Might scan this with my phone because this, I might be gated in this brand. Let's see. Okay, I'm not. So it's actually going for, I think it says $67.20. So that made my net profit $47.14. So now I'll be back with numbers this time. I promise. Okay, guys, so I am back with my final numbers. Okay, so remember I was all in at $150. It was less than $150, actually. It was like $147 and some change. My total net profit through FBA so far is $625.14. I subtract the $150 that I spent on the case, and that brings my grand total estimated net profit to $475.14. So I guess I picked a pretty good case there, guys. I picked a pretty good one there, guys. I did. So that is awesome. I'm happy with that. And all I have to list is these, which I might lock them as a set together or do them single, but at least it's just this. It's not all of it. And I found out that I am ungated in Pillow Fort because that was a brand I was gated in a while back. So yeah, I am very happy with this. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this haul, of this unboxing. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you like my channel. And it also lets me know that you like this kind of content. I will see you in the next video. Thanks again. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye.